Hello everyone, welcome back to Paul's Academy. I hope you're all doing well and good. Today we are going to discuss the reciprocal pronoun. Let's begin with an example. Anu likes Manu, Manu likes Anu. So we can also say the sentence like Anu and Manu like each other. Here the reciprocal pronoun is each other. Here in the sentence, Anu likes Manu and Manu likes Anu. So both the person are doing the action, right? They are receiving the benefit. So we use each other to show that each person in a group does something to others. Each person receives the benefits of the action. Like in this sentence, Anu and Manu like each other. So the reciprocal pronoun help to avoid the repetition. See the next example. John gave a gold ring to Katie on their wedding day. Katie gave a gold ring to John on their wedding day. So here do we have to use the sentence separately? We don't have to, right? So we can say John and Katie gave each other gold ring on their wedding day. Some more examples are Tommy and Gino were talking to each other in the hallway. Next one, we give each other gift on Christmas. Each other is usually used to refer to two person or things. Here we see the reciprocal action. See, we have already seen the example like Anu likes Manu, Manu likes Anu. And like he does something to her and she does something to him. Right? So it's a reciprocal action. So each other is a reciprocal pronoun. Okay, now see this example. John and Mary like one another. So here one another is also used instead of each other. So one another is also reciprocal pronoun. Each other is usually used to refer to two person or things and one another to refer to more than two. See here example like we love each other, they love each other and they all love one another or they all support one another. See this example, the four children are fond of one another. So here it is more than two, the four children. So the reciprocal pronoun one another is used. The four children are fond of one another. And we have already seen the example like John and Mary like each other. So here only two people and so the reciprocal pronoun each other is used. And you can also use one another with this. Example like John and Mary like one another. See some more examples. The dogs started fighting one another. And next one, the students congratulated one another after receiving the prizes. So here the students, more than two, so they are congratulating each other, right? The students congratulated one another. So here one student congratulated the other student and that student congratulated him or her back. And same with the other students. So the action which is done to others is received from them, right? The reciprocal action. In modern English, each other and one another have same meaning and use. Okay, now let's see some more examples. We give each other books. We can't talk each other. Chinnu and Minnu can't see each other. They hate each other. Simon and John never believe each other. Why do you fight each other? Reena and Deba support and admire each other. Some more examples. Love one another. Why do you fight one another? The brothers love one another. They blame one another. Malu and Somu are very selfish and don't help to one another. So you can also say Malu and Somu are very selfish and don't help to each other. Next to one, the teachers congratulated one another. So you can also say the teachers congratulated each other. So a reciprocal pronoun is used to express action or relationship. In order to use them, there must be two or more people or things or group involved and they must be performing the same action. And next thing, these pronouns can be freely used in the possessive. For example, like see reciprocal pronoun each other or one another. So in the case of possessive, to become like each other's and one another's. See this? This bag is Sumi's, right? This is Sumi's bag. And this one, Rimi's bag. So Sumi often uses Rimi's bag. And Rimi often uses Sumi's bag. So here they both have bags and they use each other, right? So we can use the sentence like Sumi and Rimi use each other's bag. Or in the other way, Sumi and Rimi use one another's bag. Let's see some more examples. The students borrowed each other's notes. They showed each other's project. And you can also say they showed one another's project. Each other and one another are treated as singular. So you don't have to add s at the end like each other's or one another's. That is wrong. And you are not supposed to write the words each other and one another together like this, but there should be space in between like each other and one another. So as we have discussed, each other and one another are called reciprocal pronoun. And as we have also discussed, when we wish to make this reciprocal pronoun possessive, we add apostrophe s with this. And we mostly use each other than the one another. So that's all about the reciprocal pronoun each other and one another. So I hope this topic is clear to you. If you feel this video is benefited, please do share. And thank you for watching.